Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you'd like to make this easy, cheap boxwood wreath that cost me around $4, then stick around. I have a tutorial to follow. Hey! Hi guys, so today I'm going to do this simple, I think it's called a boxwood wreath. I'm not 100% sure, but we're just gonna go with it. I've been wanting one of these, but every time I find one, they're like $50, and I'm just like, oh, you know, that's a lot for a wreath. And I thought about breaking down and buying it, and I was like, no. So, I seen a couple of things like on Pinterest, and I thought I could do that. So what I did is I just went and got this from the Dollar Tree. It's just their little wicker thing, wreath, the little small one. I can imagine that you could do the larger one and get the same effect, but I would feel that that would be, you know, costly too. I wish I didn't say a lot today. It's just how it is. It's late in the evening, so I'm a little bit tired. But I wanted to get this up on YouTube because it's been a minute. And there I go again. So I went to Hobby Lobby, and actually my husband had to cut these. I went to Hobby Lobby and I got just one of the sprays, or like a flower, in their, you know, I wish I could talk today, but I just can't. It's just, this is how it's going to be. But, in the floral section, I've just got one of these little arrangements. It's basically just the boxwood, or whatever this is called. I know there's some flower people out there that's going to tell me exactly what this is, so please forgive me on my stupidity on that. But I made sure that they were, luckily that day it was 50% off. So I got a huge stem, like a huge bouquet. So I can get 2 out of this, I would say, for what I need it for. I need 2. For around, so this was $7, this is $8, so I could get 2 wreaths out of this for around $8 total to get 2. But when I went to cut these little suckers were hard to cut. I don't know if it was just this type, or maybe I just had bad wire cutters or floral cutters, but my husband actually had to cut these. But I just, like I said, I cut them off of the stem, and so we're just gonna get with it. We're just gonna glue them in. Let's see. Okay, we'll just start here. So I've never done this, so we're doing this together, guys. Oh, I'm like so lacking on hot glue. So lacking in my glue section. So what I think theory is just to glue this down. Tuck it in there and glue it. And see, this does bend, so you can get the bending. And then we're just gonna go all the way around this. You could probably just stick these in. I just want to glue them to make them a little more secure. And you see how that's starting to form already. I'm so happy. You know, I'm just going to stick this in here to see how this is going to work. Because, I mean, we could reuse these. And a later DIY. I also seen some really pretty lavender ones that they had. That you could do, and I was like, I think I might do one of those too. Like I said, you know, I would have probably cut these a little shorter so they will stick in better, but my husband cut them and he just really wasn't feeling it. So like I said, guys, I'm not really even using the hot glue at this point. I'm just sticking them in. I think this is going to turn out so cute. I mean, who cares what the back looks like? I mean, if someone comes to your house and raises up your wreath to look at the back of it, you don't need that negativity in your life anyway. So, tell them they just need to go. This would also be pretty for spring to, like, you know, put like a glass vase in and decorate with for Easter, like an Easter brunch or something would be pretty to put to decorate with. I'm actually, this one's fell off somewhere, so we're just gonna put a little glue and find like a little naked spot and just stick it right there. There you go. Like so. I hope everyone's having a good, what is today? Today is Monday. Oh yeah, good Monday. Boy, I had such a busy weekend. I was busy all weekend. I was also sick with allergies. I'm actually going to put a little glue right here just to tack that. So I feel like that's not secure enough. But allergy season is just, it is insane right down here. Like my whole car is covered. It's actually silver, but it looks yellow with the pollen on it. It's so thick. And then what I'm going to do at the end here is kind of just bend these little boogers up. Well, that is super cute, guys. And there it is. Well, we're going to have to fluff it a little bit, you know, to get it just right. I actually think it needs something right here. That's great. This whole thing fell off. But yeah, I mean, like I said, I was able to get 2, or I'm going to be able, because I've got more over here, but I'm able to get 2 out of that floral arrangement. You can hear my dog in there moving. And his kennel. He had to go in his kennel. I'm just gonna unplug that because I'm really bad about that. But there you go, guys. That was like super simple. I got more of these. That was just like a super simple little boxwood wreath. I'm gonna go hang it. I'm gonna show you all the finished project and see what you guys think. Okay, guys, and here is the finished product. Yay! I'm really happy with this. This turned out so good and I needed it for this space. I'm actually going to put the other one on the other side of the bed because I have 2 of these that I scored at Hobby Lobby. So that is a quick tip, guys. So these little things, these wooden things, I have seen at like Kirkland's, Pier 1. I'm not sure, Pier 1, maybe. I don't know 100%. But anyway, I've seen these like all around the stores and they can be pretty pricey. But a quick tip is if you go in the Hobby Lobby section in the unfinished wood, they have these and they're $24.99, but you can use your 40% off coupon on these, or you can mine. And it's, I think I paid around $16. I mean, it's pretty big. But, you know, downside, I had to stain it and go through all these little things. But, I mean, hey, I've seen these. I think the cheapest one I've seen was around 80 bucks. So, hey, I mean, that works out because basically I have about $20 in this whole thing here. So, that's a win for me. But, yeah. I love how that turned out. I think it's so cute. I was a little bit unsure about it because I kind of wanted to do the little lilac one. But I think this works really pretty in my little space in my bedroom that I have. So yeah, so if y'all like this, please like and subscribe. I am going to get better about putting out my videos. I've been slacking lately with school and family, and then I was just majorly sick over the weekend. Still kind of nasally, you know, sinuses, what can I say? But yeah, so like and subscribe, guys. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.